everyone!
Hi guys, welcome to Car Flicks. Today we're going to be repairing a Corsa D where the blower is only working on full chat, which is on number 4. So without further ado, let's crack on with the video. So this is a fault that our friend is having with their car. Basically, you put it on 1, nothing happens, 2, nothing happens, 3, nothing happens, and then 4, it all of a sudden does. So I'm going to show you how to fix this right now. So this is the reason why it's not working anymore. The resistor has failed, and this allows you to change the speed of the blower. So what we're going to do is going to replace this, and this should all work fine again. And if you want to buy this part, this is from Amazon. I'm sure if you put that in the search bar, it'll come up with it. The only tool you're going to need for this job is a 5.5mm socket and ratchet. And the location of this is just under the passenger side footwell, and it's just there. Like so. So once you've done that and took the bolt out, what you're going to do is put your finger in there, lift that tab, move it to the left. This will then pull out this resistor like so. Once you've done that, pull this off, this tab, push that in, pull it out, and this is the old one. As you can see, there's quite a lot of corrosion, so it's possibly damaged under there somewhere. And then put your replacement one in, it clicks, and then slide her back in where she was before, like so, and then put your bolt in, and then just tighten her up. Job done. Right, so this is the moment of truth. Let's see if it's worked. Yes, it's worked, and that cost me about £6. Job done. And thanks ever so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment and say hi to Grayson. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye!
Uh-oh. Doing this blind, by the way. And then we're gonna